Hi everyone, today I want to talk about the best Black Friday deals out there if you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or you enjoy building websites. Now, these resources that I'll be talking about are on offer today, and this is a great time to take advantage of what is happening today on Black Friday. So all these things that I'll be recommending for you are very, very important, and you'll be getting them at a very, very, very good price. So let's start off with the first one. So Divi. Divi has a 25% off, and not only that, they have a ton of items that they're giving away. So I want to go through that list of things and show you what you can benefit from upgrading today or signing up for Divi today. Right, so right now I am on the Elegant Themes discount page. So as you can see, this is Black Friday, 2 days left. So over here on the bottom here, I'm just going to scroll down quickly. So these are the giveaways. So if you buy Divi or you upgrade, this is what you get. Now, these ones here are already sold out, so you need to take action now. So at the moment, this one here is the Divi Monk. So here we have all these layouts. So if you sign up for this, you'll be getting access to this package here. And there's more to come. We also have more here. Ready Themes, WP Den. You know, as I scroll down here, you can see there's a lot of things here that you can have access to. Okay, so this is amazing. So you need to keep an eye on this page and make sure that you take advantage of all these deals. Okay, so if I scroll all the way down here, you can see this is the discount. So if with the 25% off, you'll be paying only $67 for a single license. But if you go for the lifetime license, which is what I recommend, this is $187 forever. Okay, you won't need to pay any more. So this is a one-time offer, and it also comes with all those deals that I've just shown you. Now, not only that, if you sign up or upgrade Divi using my affiliate link, I'm also giving you something special. So first of all, I'm going to be giving away the Divi Blueprint course. Okay, so if you're new to web design and new to working with Divi, instead of you going out there researching, finding out information on how to use Divi, you know what? You don't have to do that. All you need to do is to buy Divi using my affiliate link or upgrade Divi using my affiliate link, and then I'll give you access to the Divi Blueprint 3 course. Now, what is special about this course is, as you know, we are constantly adding features to Elegant Themes and Divi. So this course will be updated. And when you sign up and buy Divi or upgrade Divi, and you have access to Divi Blueprint 3, every time there's new features, I'll be making courses on those and show you how to use them in your designs. So you have a never-ending course that shows you how to use Divi. So that's the massive advantage. So what I'm going to do is I am going to leave links to that in the show notes below. Now, let's talk about the second thing. So the second thing here is hosting. Now, hosting is a very, very good foundation of getting your website up and running. So if you don't have good hosting, you know what? You're in trouble, because if things keep breaking and your website is slow, it takes away from all that passion and all the excitement of building websites. So starting off on a good foundation is very good. So right now, if you have bad hosting, I have a company that I'm recommending, which again, I will link to in the show notes below. If you sign up with that company, I will give you access to Divi Blueprint 3, which will help you design websites using Divi. And if you also upgrade and buy Divi using my affiliate link, I'm going to give you access to Mac University. Now, I haven't spoken about Mac University yet because we're still talking about the hosting. Right, so this hosting is good. It's fantastic. It has 67% off. Now, that is huge, guys. 67% off. So sign up today. Again, I'll leave that link in the show notes below. Now, let us talk about Mac University. In fact, Mac University launched today. This is huge, guys. You know what? This is your go-to place for online courses, mini courses, and tutorials. So anything web design, anything that you want to do just using your website, this is going to be the go-to place. So I have a special introductory level deal, and this is $5 per month forever. Now just think about it. $5 per month forever. Okay, that is crazy. So $5 per month will get you access to all the courses. And right now there's 4 courses in there. You also have access to Divi layouts. So the plan is to make Divi layouts and sell them. But if you're a member, you'll be getting access to all these Divi layouts absolutely free. The second thing is you'll also be getting access to mini courses. So rather than wait for these long courses that take so much time to put together and create, I'll be also creating mini courses that around very short topics. Like let's say, for example, you want to learn how to, let's say, do SEO on your website. Okay, so I can just create a quick tutorial, quick mini course and show you how to apply SEO onto your website. So this is what we'll be doing, and I'll be taking your suggestions on what sort of courses you need me to create. We also have weekly live Q&A. I will be available weekly for a live Q&A where you get to ask me questions, we share tips, your progress, and also because you're part of a community of like-minded people, you can always ask questions in the community, and this will help you, moving forward. I'll also be creating webinars, and also we will also have membership perks. So this is huge, and the offer is $5 per month. Now, after 3 days and after Cyber Monday, this price of $5 per month will be going up automatically to $17 per month. This $5 per month is my introductory level offer because I'm just launching Mac University. So I want to make it worthwhile for anyone who wants to join in and start benefiting from all these web design resources. So $5 is the entry level. This will not be promoted ever again. I will never bring it down to $5 ever again. So this is your only chance to get this at $5 per month. After that, it's going to be $17. Okay. Now, there's also another way that you can get this membership or this Black Friday deal Mac University one-time offer, and that is to buy the Divi Blueprint 3 course. Now, this normally goes for $297. There's a 50% off. There's a coupon code DV50. You can just use that, and that will bring it down to $147. Now, as soon as you've bought this course, you will get a lifetime access to Mac University. Okay, so if you buy this course today or by end of day Monday, which is Cyber Monday, I will give you access to Mac University absolutely free forever. Okay, that's your lifetime membership. So that's the offer that I have. So these offers here are fantastic, and I think in my opinion, if you want to enhance and take your design skills with the right tools, this is the way forward. So I'm going to leave all the links to all of this in the show notes below, so you can go ahead and take a look at these offers. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.